You might be wondering what's actually in one of our craft kits, so let's open up the box and see. First, you'll find 4 little cups labeled paint, stain, and top coat. These are the paints and stains you'll be using to make your project. These 4 sponges will be used to apply the paints and stain you chose, as well as your top coat. Next is the stencil itself. This is the design you chose for your craft. Also included in the kit, you'll find a jumbo craft stick that will help you apply your stencil to the wood. Which brings us to a one-of-a-kind piece of reclaimed wood. On the back of your wood, you'll notice a label that tells you exactly where your wood came from. There are also some empty spaces that you'll fill in when your craft is complete. We even included a sawtooth hanger that you can hammer into the back of your craft if you want to hang it on the wall. Last up are full instructions that will help you use all of these tools and make your project look great. If you love creating a unique craft with this kit, you can always post on social media and tell your friends. Just be sure to tag us!